Okay, Brinkley, look at me. Brinkley's first sewing machine. Let me see your material. Oh, foot up. Right. So tell me everything you're doing as you're doing it, okay?
Okay, so here's my material, and right now I'm practicing.
Okay, and what are you going to do first?
Put the foot down.
Mm-hmm.
And now, wait, hold on, it's not at the very first. Put the foot down.
Mm-hmm.
Push.
What are you doing?
I just sewed one shut.
Okay.
I think.
Can you, let me see, put it way close to the camera so we can see your stitch. Oh, it didn't go through, huh?
Let's try it again.
Make sure that your thread, both of your threads are behind the machine. Okay. Oh. Oh, and what are you doing now? Tell me what you're doing.
Doing this.
What is that?
A seam ripper.
Okay. It looks like your thread is having a bit of an issue.
It's okay.
No. You can't sew it. Oh, look, I can take a picture of you through here. Looky here, Brinks. Smile. No, right here. You're goofy. Okay, take this out. Because I'm only showing one thread. And how many threads do we need?
2.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and gently ask that other thread to get the heck out here. And I don't think he's going to... Oh, he's stuck. All right, well, as soon as I go get this fixed, say, we'll be back. So what... Oh, go ahead.
Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing video. And I'm going to start sewing. And this is where you put it up, down, because the foot. Oh, the needle.
Good job. Lift the needle. All the way. And then gently pull. Let me see your stitches. Whoa, that's too close. Wow. So then what do we do?
Pull. Gently pull it out.
Okay. You got your scissors to cut it, or are you gonna?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, sorry about my cousin, guys.
So what did you make for us?
Right now I'm making a bag. So I already got some stitches.
Should we practice some more?
Yeah. See, I already got some stitches.
Oh, where's your foot pedal?
Right here.
Oh yeah. Do you know how to use that?
Yeah, you just push it down. Now you have to finish this part. If I can get it in.
You gotta lift the needle. There you go. Lift the needle. Good job.
Wait, I don't even do it. Not doing it.
Is it missing a stitch?
Maybe.
Where's your strings? Okay, for now, should we just go fix this and you can tell me what we're going to do next? Frustrating, isn't it? Did it stitch? Good job. Okay, we're going to stop this now, okay?
Okay.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Hey.
Guys,
Hold
welcome
on.
back to my...
Go ahead.
Okay, guys. We're back, and there's some string, so I'm going to cut it. And I got my small scissors because these are big scissors.
Mm-hmm.
And this is my little sewing machine Nini got me today. And right now, guys, here's the pedal down here.
Mm-hmm.
And I started sewing this, as you guys see. Now I have to show this one. So put it down. Okay, so
Let's see.
it's so tight.
Let me see. Oh, pull it just a little bit. There you go. Oh, what are you doing there?
Cutting.
Oh, is there a little place to cut there? Pull hard. Pull hard. There you go. So how'd it turn out?
Good.
Do you think you're going to be a good sewer?
Yeah.
What are you going to make?
I'm making a bag.
All right, can we shut the video off? Are we done with the lesson?
Yeah.
All right, what do we say?